Come take a look at everything I found off Facebook Marketplace for free. Found a bunch of these blocks, like some hardwoods, some cherries. This one's a Spalton maple. Got some white oak in the background there. Found these two. These bunch of beautiful pieces. Plus they came in the totes for free. I got all this plywood for free. And this was all firewood. And some of the other cuts that were just too badly damaged and eaten by termites. Sometimes you win and lose at the same time. So you take out somebody's trash and you also find some treasure.